Aloha everybody. So in this video, I'm going to bring you through a tour of a beautiful oceanfront home that's currently on the market here on Maui. I'm going to turn around here just so you can see how close we are to the ocean. I recently sold a house just down the beach from this particular location. My clients absolutely love the neighborhood, and this house is gorgeous. Let's take a look.
This is 1498 Halama Street. The house is located beachfront on Maui's south side. Starting from the driveway, you're going to see the two-car garage. Although it's not shown in this video, the home does have a gated entrance. The front entrance opens up to the living room and kitchen areas. This video was captured during a broker's open, so this portion of the video is a bit rushed just because most of the agents were congregated in the living room and kitchen areas. The ground level has sliding pocket doors so you can fully open the space up to the beautiful patio and pool area. The pool is heated, and there's also a 10-jet outdoor hot tub. Also notice the outdoor grilling area that's fully covered. Let's take a quick walk to the beach. One of the features that sets this beachfront home apart from other beachfront homes on Maui in different locations is the large lawn and green space in between the pool area and the beach. It's important to point out that this particular beachfront location does not have a seawall. That can prove to be a major advantage when it comes to permitting issues with Maui County. From here, let's head back inside the house and take a look at the upstairs area. The stairs are located just to the right of the front entrance of the home. The house totals 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths with just over 5,000 square foot of interior living space. The upstairs is where you're going to find the largest and most luxurious bedroom and bathroom, plus an office space. The sale does include all of the furnishings and artwork. I'll provide more details on the sale of this house in the description down below. The house does feel very private, with the absence of neighbors looking in your direction. This upstairs bathroom is massive. And of course, we can't forget to check out the walk-in closet. Up next is the Ocean View office. All I can say is I wish my home office had a view like this. Next, we're going to head back downstairs and take a look at the north wing, which includes 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The house has been given the nickname Sapphire Seas, thanks to these beautiful ocean views. It's also worth noting that this house is one of the very rare single-family homes on Maui that has a license for short-term rentals. That being said, the vacation rental license does not transfer upon sale, so a new owner would have to reapply for a new vacation rental license, and current Maui County regulations require a 5-year waiting period for new owners to apply for a short-term rental vacation permit. This rule only applies to single-family homes. And that's why I encourage all of my clients who are looking to purchase a property with the ability to vacation rent to shop within a category of condos that does allow short-term rentals. There is one more bedroom and bathroom in the back of this corridor. These sliding glass doors lead towards the front entrance area. From here, we're going to head to the south wing of the ground floor. Here you're going to find a powder room, the laundry area, a pantry, and a corridor that leads to the garage. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more relevant real estate content on Maui and throughout the Hawaiian Islands. I'll provide a link in the description down below to my website with more information on all the oceanfront and beachfront homes currently available on Maui. And of course, if you're in the market to purchase an oceanfront or beachfront home here on Maui, I'd be thrilled to be your guide throughout the process. There are some special considerations that you should keep in mind when shopping for properties like this. It's important to work with somebody who has been through the process before. As always, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Aloha.